In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Godaddy subscription. Maybe you're looking to switch providers, perhaps you've found a better price elsewhere, or maybe you simply don't need the service anymore. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. First, ensure that you're logged into your Godaddy account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Godaddy website. You'll see the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login details. If you've forgotten your password, just click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner once more, where your name or account number might appear. Click there, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Account Settings. This page is your central hub for managing everything related to your account. Now, look for the option called My Products and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the products and services you have purchased from Godaddy. It's a good spot to review exactly what you have in your account. Find the subscription or product that you wish to cancel. Once you've located it, look to the right-hand side. You should see a button that says Manage. Click on that button to see a variety of options related to managing that particular product. In the Manage settings, you're going to search for a link or button that says Cancel Renewal or Cancel to stop the service from automatically renewing when it expires. It's important to understand that Godaddy bills at least 30 days before your subscription expires, so make sure you cancel well ahead of the renewal date to avoid any unwanted charges. You might be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel. Don't worry, this is just a security measure to ensure that you genuinely want to proceed with the cancellation. Confirm your choice and submit. Keep an eye on any confirmation screen or email you receive. This ensures that the cancellation process has been successfully initiated. One useful tip to remember is to double-check your email for a cancellation confirmation. Godaddy will usually send you an email notification when your cancellation is processed. If you don't receive one, or if there are any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Godaddy's customer support for assistance. That's all there is to it. Canceling a subscription can feel a bit daunting, but thanks to Godaddy's user-friendly interface, it's quite straightforward. Remember, always ensure your payment methods reflect the correct cancellation to avoid renewal charges. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to reach out with any further questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.